Need extra income fast? What if I told you there are 5 halal side hustles that can pay you daily with little to no money to start? If you want to make money online without breaking any halal rules, watch this video till the end. Let's go. I know many of you want to start a business, but not everyone has money to invest upfront. That's why today I will show you 5 halal side hustles that can pay you the same day you work. No waiting for months, no big investments, just actionable ways to earn daily. Let's dive in. 1. Freelancing. One of the fastest ways to make halal money daily is by freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, video editing, or even social media management, you can start earning today. Platforms to start: Fiverr or Upwork. Income potential from $20 to $200 per project. If you don't have the skills yet, learn for free on YouTube and start small. 2. Selling digital products. Imagine waking up and seeing 10, 50 or even $100 in your account from digital products you created once. You can sell Islamic printable planners, digital Quran journals, and business templates. Where to sell? Shopify. Earnings from $5 to $500 per day depending on sales. 3. Reselling products online. Reselling is a great way to earn quick cash and you don't need to buy new stock. Find underpriced items on Facebook Marketplace. Flip them for a higher price on Amazon. For example, buying used books for $2 and selling them for $15. Earnings from $20 to $500 per flip. 4. Online tutoring. If you can teach English, Quran recitation, or even business skills, people will pay you daily for online lessons. Platforms to start. Preply. Earnings from $10 to $50 per lesson. 5. YouTube. Did you know you can get paid from just posting videos? If you create motivational Islamic content, business tips, or finance hacks, you can earn from YouTube. For example, post daily for 30 days, get millions of views, and start making money. Earnings from $50 to $10,000 per month, depending on views. Now that you know 5 halal side hustles that can pay you daily, which one will you try first? Bonus tip: the fastest way to succeed, pick one hustle and take action today. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more halal business strategies, check the description for resources and tools.